Neither one giving an inch. Driven down with an elbow to the heart.
And Sane telling the crowd to watch her.
Discus punch. She keeps on talking, but is she actually going to deliver? This could be for the win. And she thwarts the pin attempt and one.
Shows that this is still anybody's match at this point.
Oh, forearm connects dead center of the face.
And this one might be headed ringside.
She knows what an important equalizer the kendo stick can be.
Back and forth, blow after blow. The sheer resilience we're witnessing here is incredible. And now he's headed out of the ring.
Destroyer!
Oh, using that barricade with great effect.
Oh, man, look at this.
Vicious sidewalk slam.
And she reversed it.
Got by the battle for this.
Ooh, walloped by a huge club.
Destroyer!
Nice running crossbody.
Sliding back in under the ropes here.
Landing the crossbody.
She's had a lot thrown her way already.
Sane making that look almost effortless.
Kairi Sane looking to lock in his submission. There it is. The anchor has dropped.
She releases the hold, ending the submission. Oh, great counter and a cover.
And that's a thrilling victory.
Here are your winners, the team of Kairi Sane and Junkyard Dog.
And here is the winning team of this exciting Tornado Tag Match.
These women exceeded all expectations here tonight. A couple of real pros.